Marlo Heat Transfer Solutions, providing custom-engineered products for your unique applications for almost a century. W&P coils are hot or chilled water coils. P coils have a pitched casing for easy draining. Full-size return bends and properly sized headers provide uniform flow and minimize pressure loss. W or water coils contain multiple rows and various circuit options. They can be designed in many fin configurations and made of aluminum, steel, stainless steel, copper, or a copper-nickel combination, depending on your requirements. P coils are very similar to W coils, except that the core of a P coil is pitched within the casing. Auxiliary drain headers are attached to any return bends on the supply side. These independent drains empty the coil quickly and completely, even when the coil is placed on the level. W coils are AHRI certified, and all coils are assembled and leak tested before shipping. If you need W coils quickly, ask your Marlo rep about our Quick Ship program. Standard W coils can be on the way in 5, 10, or 15 days. W&P coils are very versatile and can be used for everything from comfort cooling to process control. These coils come in a wide range of sizes, from use in small HVAC systems to huge power plants. Power plants use W&P coils that are over 300 inches long and 108 inches tall in as many as 24 rows to cool the inlet air for gas turbines. Contact an independent rep or Marlo sales expert by visiting www.marlocoil.com.